Here we are tonight off of Maryland Parkway. Here we got Shang Mian Chinese Noodle Workshop. We're going to check it out tonight and see what it's like. Isn't this amazing? Every night we've had a different place, so no repeats, which is kind of cool. So let's head on in. And all kinds of noodle soups. I think that's the real deal here.
$5 cents, and this one cent, 88 cents.
There's the spicy beef, and what did you get? The wonton?
Wonton
Tonight, so we have some pancake coming, and just some, I think, pork dumplings here. So how's that look? Pretty good. You can tell by that broth it was nice and hot. Oh, that is so delicious. Oh, how are your...
Looks good.
Oh, this is so good. Got big shots in here of beef. Wow. I can't believe the way we scored on this trip for you guys at Memphis. This is the fourth new restaurant. We got some new stuff in around.
Well, those are egg noodles. Egg noodles. Those are awesome. This tastes just like egg noodles.
So spicy and so delicious.
They're hot though. I'm gonna
You're
burn
not
my
just asking you to heat it up.
Oh, thank you.
Asking you These are the pork dumplings here. They look good. Alright guys, Shang Mian restaurant over here on Maryland Parkway, and you had the wonton?
Wonton soup?
Yeah, and I had the
with noodles?
yeah, and I had the spicy beef noodle, which was, it was friggin' out of this world. It was so, just perfectly, it was nice, had heat, but it wasn't crazy hot. Like, we want to blow you out of your seat. So, what did you think? We also had some dumplings, but they didn't have the beef one. We had the pork one. We had things called pancakes, which I didn't think were really good. They were like
meat pancake.
Yeah, they were like a meat pancake. It's not what I thought it would be. Like a
pancake.
yeah, exactly. So what did you think, Mr. D?
It was pretty good. It was pretty good. The only thing with my soup was that they had, like I was telling you, the seaweed. It just kind of get a seaweedy flavor. It wasn't bad, but just has that aftertaste. So that's about it. Not too bad.
It's kind of like a.
It was a big old bowl.
Yeah, the portions are big. I would come here again just to have the beef. The beef noodle soup was just, it was off the chain. They had chunks of beef that were so tender in there. It was just unbelievably good. So I really enjoyed it. I kind of wish Mr. Z, he kind of ate something before, but I kind of wish he had this beef. Yeah, I think he would have really liked digging on
I'm sure, yeah.
that stuff. So
It looked good. Looked better than mine.
I'm hoping in the future I can twist his arm and have him come over and
Yeah, we'll
try
do it
this
again.
All
Yeah,
right.
the wonton soup was okay. It just, but it kind of looked like dishwater, you know.
Yeah, that's why, I don't really think that's like a really specialty here. But
Nah.
that's why I always kind of ask them, what's the thing you do best? And he told me the spicy beef noodle, and I'm like, well, bring me a bowl of that. And there's no way that disappointed, but I hope you might give that a try if we go back.
Oh, yeah, I'll do
you
that.
You will flip out on that. It was so tasty. All right, guys, Shang Mian here. Thanks so much for being along. Another restaurant review on the road. Like and subscribe.